I really knew that I had some hearing loss 9 years ago, but recently, when I've been in meetings, I have noticed myself asking people to repeat what they said. But the clincher was really when I had my granddaughter stay over for the weekend. They're 6 and 8 and have very high-pitched, soft voices, and I had to have my head right next to their mouths practically to understand what they were saying. I said, that's it. I'm not going to let this happen. And so I went to Columbus Speech and Hearing, and I really did have hearing loss that could be treated. I have received wonderful service from Columbus Speech and Hearing. It was recommended to me initially by a friend who's an audiologist. They are very professional people and very compassionate people. I noticed improvement in my hearing immediately. Immediately. It was exciting. And I wanted to cry. I was so excited. It was awesome. Just awesome. I didn't realize I was missing hearing the birds early in the morning at 5:30. I didn't realize I was missing hearing the rain on the roof. I can hear the turn signal on my car. I can hear cars coming up next to me when I'm driving. I was missing those things, and I did not realize it. My experience with Columbus Speech and Hearing has been excellent in a variety of ways, and I would recommend them to anyone.